Hello, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how I made this free company commander model from my Basilisk kit. So before I begin, if you want to see more videos like this one, get the Earthshaker cannon, fire it at the subscribe button and hit the bell button repeatedly, and you'll see more videos like this one. So what have we got here? We have got the Imperial Guard or Astra Militarum Basilisk kit, which I assembled. You probably noticed when I said at the beginning, with a practically free model, I was referring to the guys. So you have, when you get this kit, you have 2 crew members with the kit. Now obviously you can stick them on there, but I feel like it looks a bit, what's the word? A bit static, that they're just constantly standing doing the same thing over and over again, so I prefer not to have them on. I was actually in 2 minds about whether to put the back plate on anyway, but I did in the end. I just thought it looks better, more balanced. So what did I do with the crewmen? So I've actually still not assembled one crewman entirely, but I've assembled this one to be a company commander. So I thought, so in the heads, you get this head, which is relaying some information. I didn't even change the arms, so the legs, the body, the head and the arm of this one are all part of the kit. This was, I can't remember if it's from the Space Marine kit. Let me see if I can focus on that bit. Nope, it's not going to do it. But anyway, I can't remember if that's from the Space Marine kit or from this kit. A little lance pistol. And we have a chainsword, which is a standard sergeant chainsword from the Imperial Guard infantry kit. And then on the back, I've got a bolt gun, which is originally from the attack bike kit. So obviously you can put that as like stowage on the Space Marine bike, but I instead chose to do it on the back. So imagining that you can just whip his bolt gun out at a moment's notice to start relinquishing some of the foes of the Imperium. So it was a really easy conversion to do. I'm not going to pretend that it wasn't. But if anything, I think I've done a relatively decent painting job. Now I appreciate it's some people's standards are way higher than mine, but I think I've done a decent job. He looks how he's meant to look, and personally, I think I did pretty well. Basically, he looks like a commander. He's got his arms, given an order. He's like going right, go in. He's about to drop his hand so people are about to do a volley. And obviously he's got a chainsaw ready to fight, and that's pretty much the top and bottom of it. I just really like this model. This is my favourite model now as a company commander, even above my Bane conversion, which maybe if I've got any sense I might put it in above up there, but I might not, so just maybe look for it instead. But yeah, I kind of like that. But obviously the main thing is you can make 2 effective company commanders from the Basilisk kit. Now obviously I could just wang this guy on here. I could have magnetised his feet, so he basically stands on there. But he could just do that anyway with his base. But the Basilisk kit is pretty cool in that respect, that you can actually make a HQ choice and a heavy support choice from the kit. Or an elite's choice, if you wanted to make him as a platoon commander, you could just make him as a kick-ass sergeant from one of your squads. Basically, getting more for your money from the kit. So that's it in this video. Tell me what you think. If you've done something similar, that's always awesome to hear. I might make a video about that, maybe. Thumbs down if you didn't like it, thumbs up if you did, and like I said, comments down below. Thank you very much, guys, and see you next time.